It's 3:37 p.m. in Canberra. And 3:37, 37 minutes past the hour. That's when the sign's going to happen. Do I really believe there's going to be a sign from the Archangel Gabriel warning Jacksonville in Florida about a hurricane named Gabrielle? Well, actually, yes, I do. Call me crazy, but I do. I do believe that. Jacksonville, Florida. That's the place that I think he's going to need to evacuate in order for people to be safe from Hurricane Gabrielle. Not to be confused with Jackson in... doesn't even come up as an option. Jackson in Wyoming, where you'll find Steamboat Geyser, and it is through the Steamboat Geyser that the angel Gabriel is going to communicate the warning. Angel equals 39. The word angel has a value of 39, and it's 39 minutes past 11 in Wyoming. 11:39 p.m. 3:39 p.m. except it's the following day where I am. It's Tuesday, August 20. Where I am, it's still Monday, August 19 in Wyoming. Soon it will be today. In Wyoming as well, they will catch up and it will be today. It'll be Tuesday for them as well. So, isn't that weird? 16 hours difference. I get to 3:39 in the afternoon and it's still yesterday in Wyoming. It is weird when you think of it that way. So a sign from Archangel Gabriel. Because a monster is dressing itself up as an angel. That's what's going on. A monster hurricane. Gabrielle is no angel. She's a monster. A destroyer. She's going to rip, tear, smash, and destroy Jacksonville in Florida. And if people don't get out of there, they'll be in serious danger because Gabrielle is going to bring one hell of a storm surge. And there's not going to be a lot of time to think about it because unlike drought, which comes on very slowly, I'm afraid to say that Gabrielle is going to lull people into a false sense of security. And then she's going to rapidly intensify with extraordinary speed and to an extraordinary degree right before landfall, which is going to make her absolutely deadly because you can't evacuate that many people in the space of 6 hours or 12 hours for that matter. So this is really important. This is like super important that people take me seriously. I can only hope the warning sign is clear. A red eruption of Steamboat Geyser. A red eruption, the red rain. It's a song by Peter Gabriel. It's also a book by R.L. Stein. I've already been outside today. I'm going to go out again because we've got something happening today at my place. I'm just going to check on the fire because fire is symbolic, you know. They talk about the flames of hell. Nathan knows about that. But then fire, the flame of the Holy Spirit. Prophecy is said to be a gift of the Holy Spirit. Passion, fire, the flame of the Holy Spirit. Who is Gabriel? Archangel. Who is Gabriel? Archangel. Who is Gabriel? Monster. Killer. Destroyer. So we're getting a bore drilled today. That's what that is. They're drilling a bore. A new bore. They've been going since this morning. So I'm not sure what they're up to now. But today is the 20th of August 2019. A red eruption. A red prophecy. Jacksonville in Florida. 37 minutes past the hour. A sign. A warning sign. So people know there's a problem with Gabriel. And the problem with Gabriel is that it's not Gabriel. It's Gabrielle. And she's a destroyer, a monster, a killer. That's the problem. Hell. Mountain daylight time, a reflection of the bulb. Mirror Boy, Wetterling. Jacksonville. Giza, Gabrielle. Twin Martin, Red Prophecy. We can catch up next Thursday at 1 p.m. That's what Martin said. That was on my birthday. So I'm thinking the sign is on his birthday. A reflection, you see? My birthday, Martin's birthday. What about this Thursday, the 22nd? I don't know how many times Steamboat Giza is going to erupt between now and September 5. All I know is what I know. And what I hope is that the warning is loud enough for people to hear it. Can you hear me? I hope so. My hope is Jacob's hope. And Jacob's hope is Nathan's hope. And Nathan's hope is the hope of Yiming Yuan. I had a dream the other night after I was filming the trees. I was filming these trees when it was windy. The wind came up actually after I mentioned Gabriel. A warning from Gabriel, I said. I had the torch shining up on the tree. Turned around and a plane was coming. Bulb equals 37. Daffodils. Jacob's hope is Nathan's hope. So Yiming Yuan was in my dream that night. After I saw that plane and filmed that plane, he came into my dream. I was watching him and he was pushing a plane. He was pushing a plane. And the plane was like, at first I thought it was too small for him to fly it, but he jumped into it. Once it got going, once it cranked it up by pushing it, once the engine cranked, he jumped inside it. And off he went, up into the sky. And he went much higher than I thought he was going to go, because I thought, such a small plane, he'll only go up a few meters. But no, he went right up. right up into the sky. And then he joined a whole armada of planes. Little planes, all flying north. And Yi Ming Yun was just one of them. DJ Ming from London. We can catch up next Thursday at 1 PM. Martin was a healer. I could see it in his eyes, the light and the heat. The opposite of Gabriel. No light in your bright blue eyes. I never knew daylight could be so violent. It's a true prophecy. So take it seriously. Jacksonville.